It's on. Right. Hello people in YouTube land. Right, I've switched the mic on. I don't know whether this is going to work properly or not, because the last video that I uploaded with this camera was out of sync. Now, I don't know whether it's anything to do with the camera or anything to do with the upload or whatever. But on this computer in here, it says, and you can tell it's out of sync. But I'll have to go through the book again and see if there's something I've cocked up or moved or something like that. Anyway, somewhere in the background, Amanda? I don't know whether you can hear that, but Amanda's outside. Would you like to come and say hello? I've had to turn one light off. I said, would you like to come and say hello? Here, watch this. Extreme close-up. Ah. Right, and now Amanda's coming into the shot.
Okay. Hello.
There she is.
I need to get the shopping in out the car.
Alright.
Yeah, so these are going to play hell.
They're
right?
going to play hell at
play holy hell.
At that door there.
Yeah, so it's nothing to worry about. They do this all the time.
That's it.
All the time.
All the time.
We get so used to it.
So Amanda's going to put them in the back.
Yeah. Go on then, Norris. Go on in the kitchen.
I'll have to have a look on this thing, what it says about syncing, because I do really need to get it synced. If there's no way to get it synced, then I'm up the shit creek without a shovel, aren't I then? As they say.
Right. Just have to put the thing in there,
Amanda's just put the screwdriver in the door.
Yeah, because the dogs can open this door.
Horace can open the door.
Yeah, he can open it.
Horace can open the front electric door.
Do I put this on hold or?
You can put it on hold open as long as people don't see my legs.
Oh, just
put it on hold open, you know, I don't mind. There's nobody coming in here, so who's going to see my legs? Okay, it won't be a minute, I'll see you when you get back. So anyway, like I said, there we go, YouTubers. There goes the front door closing. Right, there goes the front door closed. It's strange for them on this one, because what I normally do is I normally do it through Horace, quiet please. It's plain holy hell, because Amanda has gone to the car to get the shopping. Would you Adam and Eve here? Right. So like I was saying, yes, I did get the new camera. Yes, there is something wrong with it. It's out of sync. I'll have to get back onto them. Either that or something else. It's something else. I don't know what it is. It might be the wrong lead, because they give me a lead to use with it, and it was in sync. It was only when I converted it over to YouTube that it went out of sync. So I don't know whether it's got something to do with that, I don't know whether it needs converting before it's uploaded, if you know what I mean. There could be something like that in it, you know. And again, if I get too close to it, I'll be all blurred and out of shot. No, I don't have my glasses. I'm trying to read this is like, you know what I mean. I'd have to have a good look at it and see what's what on it, but I don't know. There's loads of stuff on it that, I mean, yes, it's got this, everything's up to date, like computer-wise on it.
Still recording.
Yeah, still recording. There's Amanda doing her shopping. Bringing the shopping in.
Yeah, bringing in the shopping.
Just have a quick look on here. Auto review, I wonder what that means. I wonder if that's got to do out with it.
You're still recording, you say?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
While you're looking at that.
I'm just looking at this because I want to know what the auto review is. And mic input.
See that you heard the dogs play now. We're not cruel to them.
No, we're not cruel.
We're not cruel. It's just that anybody that has dogs with separation anxiety, that's what it is.
Yeah.
The thing is, we're just in the other room, and always plays hell. Always.
Yeah, Amanda, can you pass my glasses off? Are they over there, love, on my other glasses?
The ones with the yellow.
Yeah, the ones with the yellow card. They're my close visual work.
Now, I don't know if you can see this, but would you be able to?
What?
The
shopping?
No, the custom.
Put the bags down there.
Move them along, yeah?
Yeah, a bit more.
Hang on
A little bit more. We're just doing a customs research here.
Yeah. Can you see these?
You see them?
I'll just put them there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now this is customs.
There you go. In the customs.
Yeah.
In the bags. Make sure nothing.
Untoward. Yeah.
Make sure the.
Check the bags. There you go.
For doggy food.
That's it.
The thing is.
See, that's it. Customs.
There is doggy food in there.
Good dogs. You're good dogs, aren't you? You're good dogs. Yeah, let's take this in the back kitchen, yeah?
Right, I want to put this back on me. If I can. Right. Now I can't see a thing with these glasses on. I can't see a thing looking at the camera. But I can. And I'm just trying to figure out what that. There's something on there. And I can't find it. Or can I? Quality. I've got that one. You see. I can't find anything on it. That's the thing. Auto review. Auto review, that's what it means. Now. I don't know what auto review means. Well, there's still nothing on there.
Yeah, customs. Honest.
There's still nothing on there where it says it's and there's nothing. Auto playback. 1 second, 2 seconds. Playback for 1 second after taking a photo. Playback for 3 seconds after taking a photo. Now, I don't know what the hell that's got to do with it. And I still can't find anything else. So, I think I'll have to go and read this. And you know how much...
I hate reading.
yeah. Oh, it's got special effects on here. It's got normal, black and white, vintage, negative, red, green and blue. It's got face detection as well on here. It's got face monitor as well. Sorry about it being out of a bit bright, but I'll have to figure out how to use it. Well, sorry about that, but I seem to have lost my marbles. Right, sorry people, YouTube people, but I don't know what it's going to come out like. I am going to use their cable, the one they give me. What's this? Something else on the back of the box as well, look. It gives most of what you want to know on the back of the box. I tell you what I might need to get. I might need to get a higher grade card. That's what it might be. It might need a higher grade card. There's the lead I was given with it. Right, my little YouTube buddies, I will have to say goodbye for now. I think it's about 14 minutes I spent on there, according to that clock. Well, I'll have to read up on it all because I don't know what I'm looking at, to be honest. So to all my friends in American and YouTube land, goodbye. And to all my biker buddies, watch the nut behind the wheel. Alright? Clean number plates, clean backlights, clean front lights. Lights on at all times, during the day as well. Hope you're all alright. You want to say goodbye, Amanda?
Goodbye, Amanda.
Goodbye, people.